Little Early English Education.
Whoa! Look at this star-eyed character! Hello, super learners! Welcome back! Today, we are going to draw and color Numberblock 5000. That is 10 groups of 500. 5,000! Absolutely spectacular! Let's start drawing. First, draw one big rectangle for the main body. Top line, right side, bottom line, left side. A big square body, magnificent. Now inside the rectangle, draw 4 vertical lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 sections. 5 sections for 5,000. Now draw tiny vertical lines in each section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Now the horizontal lines for all the blocks. First the big blocks, then 25 blocks, then 500 blocks. So many tiny blocks.
Let's draw the number blocks nice and neat on the page. Rectangle shapes, so we begin step by step like a stage. Line goes up, line goes down, every block in the right space. Exploring is fun and slow, we don't need to rush the pace. Color inside, stay inside, make it bright just like the sun. Red, blue,
500,
yellow, green, this color in time is fun. Number blocks appear alive, every number we create. One by one they come alive, this magic feels so great. Color, color, color inside.
1,000,
Often neat and bright. Use your crayons, use your markers, make your picture feel just right. Shine the picture, let it glow. This drawing time
1,500,
Number blocks are happy friends.
2,000, 2,500, 3,000, 3,500, 4,000, 4,500,
Count with me 1 to 10. Let the color start again. 11, 12, 13, 14. Every block becomes a friend. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 22. Numbers grow and numbers
5,000. Wow, 5,000 blocks. Now let's draw the face, and it is so special. Numberblock 5,000 has a star-shaped eye. Draw the left eye as a star shape. 5 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inside the star, add the eye detail and pupil. And now draw the star shine, a curved blue trail from the star. That shooting star eye is incredible. Now draw the right eye. 1 star eye and 1 round eye. So unique. Now draw the happy smile. Numberblock 5,000 is always smiling. Such a cheerful character. Now draw the hands on both sides. Left hand, right hand. And the right hand holds something special. Now draw the watch on the right hand. Numberblock 5,000 always knows the time. Now draw the legs at the bottom. Left leg, right leg. And finally, at the very top, write the number. 5,000. Our drawing is complete. Hello everyone. I am Numberblock 5,000. I have 1 star eye and 1 round eye. Totally unique. Coloring time. First, pick up the black color. Spell black. B-L-A-C-K. Black. Color the eye pupils black. And inside the mouth area, black too. Sharp and clear. Now pick up yellow. Spell yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. Color the star eye yellow. A bright shining yellow star.
Square and stack another, build a number block within. Every line we draw is magic, every stroke is clean and slow. Drawing makes it
Now pick up blue. Spell blue. B-L-U-E. Blue. Color the star shine trail blue. And both eye outlines blue too. Beautiful blue star shine.
4 blocks, 5 blocks, stack them all. 6 and 7, 8 and 9. 10 blocks standing in a line. Now we color one by one, add each tone with careful hands. Number blocks can teach us counting, number blocks can make us stand. Every color brings a feeling, every line brings new design.
Now pick up dark pink. Spell dark pink. D-A-R-K. P-I-N-K. Dark pink. Color the smile outline dark pink. Such a warm, lovely smile.
Make the picture super pretty, shining, glowing, clean and bright. We are artists, we are learners.
Now pick up dark navy blue. Spell navy blue. N-A-V-Y-B-L-U-E. Navy blue. Color the hands dark navy blue. And the legs dark navy blue too. Strong dark blue hands and legs.
And stack another, build the number block within. Every line we draw is magic, every stroke is clean and slow. Drawing.
Now pick up green. Spell green. G-R-E-E-N. Green. Color the watch green. A green watch, so stylish. And now the grand final color. Pick up sky blue. Beautiful bright sky blue. Spell sky blue. S-K-Y-B-L-U-E. Sky blue. Color the whole body sky blue. Every single one of those 5,000 blocks sky blue.
It's time to draw the number blocks, let's begin today. Take your pencil, take your crayons, let's create and play. Start with simple shapes and lines, nice and slow and neat. Every little box we draw makes learning feel complete. Draw a block and draw another, stack them side by side. Every number starts with shapes, watch them grow with pride. Lines go up and lines go down, corners strong and square. Drawing number blocks together shows how much we care. Now it's coloring time, let the colors shine. Fill each block with happy shades, one at a time. Red is bright and blue is cool, yellow like the sun. Coloring the number blocks is learning mixed with fun. Color gently, color neatly, stay inside each line. Every stroke and every shade makes the picture shine. Green and orange, pink and brown, mix them if you like. Drawing and coloring together makes the numbers come to life. Let's start counting slowly now. 1 and then it's 2. 3 and 4 and 5 blocks. Look what we can do. La la la, la la la, la 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 la. La la la, la la la, la 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 la. Yeah! Let's draw the number blocks nice and neat on the page. Rectangle shapes, we begin step by step like a stage. Line goes up, line goes down, every block in the right space. Drawing is fun and slow, we don't need to rush the pace. Color inside, stay inside, make it bright just like the sun. Red, blue, yellow, green, this coloring time is fun. Number blocks appear alive, every number we create. One by one they come alive, this magic feels so great. Color, color, color inside, feel it soft and neat and bright. Use your crayons, use your markers, make your picture feel just right. Shine the picture, let it glow, this drawing time feels so alive. Number blocks are happy friends, learning helps our minds to thrive. Count with me, 1 to 10, let the color start again. 11, 12, 13, 14, every block becomes a friend. Hey, hey, look at this page, let's make numbers, let's engage. Tap your crayons, clap your hands, drawing numbers is super grand. First we sketch, then we build, every little box gets filled. Left and right and up and down, boxes turning into town. Pick a color, spin it round, drop some color, watch it bounce. Splash of blue and pop of red, numbers dancing on the page instead. Fill it in and make it glow, fast or slow, just go with flow. Oops, a line, that's okay. Color fun comes every way. Count it out, here we go, watch the numbers start.
500 blocks, sky blue. 1,000, 1,500, 2,000, 2,500. 3,000, 3,500, 4,000, 4,500. And the last 500. Done! And done.
Color, color, zip, zap, zoom, brighten up the whole room. Turn the page into a show, watch the number blocks steal the glow.
Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.